I would like them to explain to us because kinakaltasan lahat kami, tayo, ng PhilHealth. Kayo ang may hawak habang namamatay ang mga tao, humihingi ng guarantee letter ang habang proseso. While you are floating in billions, hundreds of billions of cash, 600. So kindly give us the breakdown of the 600 billion, and if the difference between 600 and 489 is reserved, how do you determine what is reserved? What is the reserve definition of terms used for? What is a 489? And give us the breakdown, please. And in what bank is it deposited? What kind of a deposit is it? Is it a time deposit? How much is the interest? And where does the interest go? So what is the principal? What bank? Whose account officer in charge? Are these several banks? What is the, give us the details of the 600. Is it 600B? 600.1001? I mean, ano ba? Detalya po. The Filipino people need to know. And my second question would be, meron ba ni isang Pilipino na maaapektuhan dahil siniro? Hindi kami ha, wala ako sa BICAM ha, na siniro ang PhilHealth. At yung mga, pangatlong tanong, yung mga ospital at mga serbisyo na umaangal sa amin dahil kami ang nasa field na marami raw babayaran ang PhilHealth sa kanila, bakit nyo para naman kayong may rubber band sa mga pockets ninyo na may pera ayaw ilabas? Hindi nyo pera yan ha? Kayo'y empleyado ng gobyerno, parang tayong lahat ha? Babayaran nyo dapat in a timely manner lahat ng mga kinauutangan ninyo. That's fiscal discipline. I think your background is finance. Balanse nyo ang fiscal discipline at saka ang serbisyo sa mga nangangailangan na mga miyembro ng PhilHealth. At nandito ang mga author ng Universal Health Care. At dapat sa Universal Health Care, sa aking pag-iintindindi, dahil ako rin ay isa sa mga author, ay point of care. Hindi na kailangan maglabas ng ID. Hindi na kailangan ng guarantee letter sa mayor, congressman, senator. Ay inaasikaso na sa pampublikong ospital. Inaasikaso na sa may MOA ang DOH. So lahat na. And just for the record, Mr. Chair, and the principal author and sponsor, Senator JV, and you would know that because you were my vice chair when I was finance. Even before the Universal Health Care was enacted into law, Senator JV, what did I do? What did we do? You were my vice chair for health. I covered, as chairman of finance, every Filipino, every indigent Filipino. Sec Mina Pangandaman knows this. She's now the DBM secretary. She was with me. Alam to ni Attorney Yoli Doblon, where is she? She was the head of the LBRMO. Director Irene knows this. She was also the deputy staff of Attorney Doblon. Kaya ng national budget, wala pang universal health care, na lahat ng mahirap, point of care, pagpasok hindi kailangan magpakita ng ID o GL ng lahat ng pampublikong ospital bago magkaroon ng batas. At salamat na isa batas na.